What is an effective use of remote monitoring software in your business? So you're a business owner and you're thinking about installing employee monitoring software on the business computers, and you ask yourself, what's an effective use? What things do I have to consider? And what do I have to take into account? This is what I would like to talk about in this video. Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and basically I have written an article on this topic. I will post the link to the article in the video description. And the first thing I want to mention is the following. Before you think about installing an employee monitoring software, please think about taking legal advice to make sure that you're legally allowed to do it. Because although the probability is very low that anybody is going to find out you have installed this kind of software, but if you're not allowed to do it, you might not be able to use the information that you collect installing this kind of software to, for example, lay off employees. That's the first thing. The second thing that I want to mention to answer the question is what kind of employee monitoring software you should install and what kind you should not install. There are a lot of monitoring software in the market, and they have a lot of features that you do not need. For example, keystroke logging, things that you do not need. A lot of fancy analytics features. What you really do need is the ability to remotely and hiddenly see the live screen of your employees without them noticing anything, and seeing the live screen as if you were sitting in front of it remotely. And for that, the tool that I do recommend is a software that's called wolfeye Remote Screen that you can download from our website. And that's the next tip I give you. Please go to our website here, wolfeye.de, and download wolfeye Remote Screen free. You can download it free, use it free within a trial period to make sure you like it and it fits your purpose. Now we have here, if you click the tutorial, we have a 9-minute tutorial that shows you how to set it up, install it. But please contact us if you need help setting up the software. We will be very happy to help you. So that's the next thing. That you tested before it, and that you choose a software that allows you to see the live screen, remote live screen. And lastly, I will like to demonstrate to you how, in the case of wolfeye Remote Screen, how it works. Because wolfeye Remote Screen will allow you to check the productivity and performance of your team. Now we'll show you in a minute how. This is wolfeye Remote Screen. This is the hidden version. That's why it's called kernel, and it hides in Task Manager. Basically, to run it, you have a green button that says Share Screen. You hit it and it turns red. The moment it turns red, it's already sharing the screen. And you will see the live screen of this computer that I have started the software on this URL. It's very crypted URL, very crypted link. When you open it on your smartphone, on the browser of your smartphone, or on the browser of any other remote computer, your laptop, you will see the live screen of this computer. And because the link is very crypted, you have this gray button that says email URL. You hit it and can send the link to your email to just click on the link from your smartphone or from any other computer. And of course, lastly, and that's the last thing, you have this blue button that says hide and win startup. You hit it and that button hides the software. The software will run in the background without anybody noticing anything about any surveillance. So basically, this is how this software works. Again, come to our website wolfeye.de, test it yourself, use it within a trial period, and ask, should you need more testing days, longer trial period, contact us, write us an email. You find the contact information on our website. So I hope this helps. Have a nice day.